record this. Ta-da. All right. So this will probably be mostly review, although I know Andre you're new to Montessori, so this will be some good stuff for us to kind of do together today. So we are going to, last week you looked at the golden beads, and we're going to do some addition with the golden beads, static addition. So we're not going to regroup, we're just going to add. Oh. We have our golden beads. I'm gonna make you guys tiny. So if we were in the classroom, we would see this and we would lay this all out. This is already nicely laid out for us. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You guys are. So go ahead and count with me. I'm going to start up here at the tens now. And you can unmute yourself so I can hear you. You ready, Elijah?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready, Zayden? I can't hear you. Andre, you can unmute too.
Yeah.
Okay.
He said yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Starting at the tens, we're going to count by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then what comes next?
100.
100. Let's count by 100s. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, then
10,000,
1,000, 2,000,
3,000,
4,000, 5,000, 6,000,
7,000,
7,000. We're going to 8,000, 9,000. You guys are like, where's the energy? You're just like, 1,000. You sound like robots powering down. Okay.
Well, that's because I'm tired.
You're tired. Well,
I'm not even tired.
but here, should we do a little movement? Get the blood flowing, Elijah? What do you think, Elijah? Andre's for it. Go, Andre. Yeah. Okay, so you guys see yourself? Yeah, I'm sure you see what I see. I wish I could put you guys like, there, I can. Oh my gosh. I thought it and it happened. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to count by our golden beads. We have our units, right?
Yeah.
Let's count our units. We have 1, 1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now what happens when we get 10? So when we get 10, those 10 beads become, I'm going to put this guy back. It becomes a 10, right?
Yes.
10. So let's count our 10s. 10,
20, 30, 40,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80.
80,
We do it like this. 80, 90,
100.
100. Now we have 100. 100. 200.
300.
Something like that.
400.
500.
500.
Oh, 500. Oh, my computer's being weird. Hold on. It's not letting me drag it.
It's Brenda.
Yes, it's all disappearing.
Um,
Oh,
what my mom and me that's like you click something, then there's like this rectangle box. You click it, then you click how many buttons you want, and you click it, then automatically. Then you drag one, then you click again, then you click again, then you keep on clicking until you get to the number.
well, this is glitching. See what it's doing? Do you guys see that? That's not me.
Yes. The computer?
Yeah. Hold on. I'm going to try something. I'm going to stop sharing for a minute. It might be that when it gets too many things happening, it gets weird.
I was just working 5 minutes ago when we first did the lesson. Ow! The space. Why you put your mask on, Elijah? What? Why you put your mask on? Because I don't want nobody to see my face.
Okay.
It's so funny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, you know what? I'm going to make a number.
Huh?
You guys are going to help me figure out what the number is. Okay? There's my number. Zayden, how many units do I have? How many little golden beads? We have, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to take my 6 units. There we go. Andre, how many 10s do I have?
3.
3 10s. How much is that? 3 10s is 10, 20,
30.
30. Elijah, how many hundreds do I have?
How many hundreds you have? Let me see. 300.
300s, which is how much? 100,
200 and 300.
300. And Brooklyn, how many thousands do I have?
1,000.
1,000. So if we put them all together, I can stack these on top of each other like this. And our number is 1,336. Let's all say that.
1,000.
336. Yes. Good. Oh. Okay. So what I'd like to try and do now, can you guys, if I put this website in the chat, what I'd like you to do is, you should have a toolbar. Do you see how like, oh, saying my sharing is paused.
Just checking for masks you're on. Pay attention.
I'm reading, but I'm not reading.
On a red piece of construction paper? Okay.
You guys see on your screen, like down, do you see where that Google Chrome button is on mine?
No.
That on your screen?
Wow.
I'll have Mr. D help you guys. I'm gonna put in the chat the website for those golden beads because I want you guys to partner up and make some numbers together. Okay, so Brooklyn, you guys are gonna copy paste. I'm putting it in the chat for you now.
Miss Brenda?
Yes, Andre, I'm gonna call Mr. D and have him come over and help you guys.
Miss Brenda's calling you right now.
Hey there. Okay, so I just saw that your lesson was recording, so okay, you can listen to that before. Andre says that you need help.
No, so I'm trying to get them because we're using the golden beads virtually, and can you help Andre and Zayden like open up a new tab? And I put the link in the chat box. They just need to get on there because I want them to like partner up and make a number with each other.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we'll get started.
Cool. All right, Elijah and Brooklyn, do you guys see the link in the chat? This is to help Andre and Zayden. So I need you guys to click on that or open that in a new place.
Wait, so you want me to open the chat or?
Yeah, it's in the chat. There's like, there'll be this blue writing. That's the website that you're going to go to where you're going to get the golden beads like I was just doing.
I'm pressing on it. Don't work.
And I know you might have to, so if I, oh, and that goes away. Bless you.
I'm just tired.
I don't think I'm going to be able to show. You guys are going to have to, remember when I showed you the Google Chrome down there? You're going to have to open it up there.
Okay.
Okay, so open up a new tab in that Google Chrome. Mr. D, can you hear me? Mr. D, can you hear me?
Andre is on
I'm
mute.
if Mr. D can show you.
Andre, you're on mute.
Hey, I'm wondering, can you share your, you should be able to share your screen so that way Elijah and Brooklyn can see you. If it's hard. Here, I'll just email all you all with it. All y'all. Yep. All right, I'll email it And if it doesn't work, I'll figure it. We'll do something else. It's not a big deal. It's like they're, the whole point of Montessori is they're touching this stuff and practicing it and you're watching it. And it's like,
I'm gonna
oh,
take it off.
yeah, right.
Three fingers.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
My car.
I'm
Look at the door. Look at the door. Put them here.
Oh God, I'm just gonna email it to you.
Smell my feet. Give me something good to
You want me to email it to your? I'll do your personal and then Zayden and Andre. Yeah. However it's easiest.
Put a door.
Yeah, that's fine. Oops, I need to pause recording so they're not sitting here. All right. Oops. Okay. So the number I'm going to make 3,700. So this is my number that I need to make. 3,708. Elijah, how many units do I need to make this number?
To get to 3,000 and what?
3,708. How many units do I need to pull out to make this number?
Get one of those.
One of these?
Yeah. And get another one.
Okay.
And one more. So 3. And then get the other one. Get the 10s or something.
So here, if this will help you.
Yeah.
So remember, this is our units, right?
Yeah.
These are our tens. I don't have any tens, so these are my hundreds, and these are my thousands, right?
So get 8 of those dots.
We need 8 units. 7, 8. Do we need any tens?
Yeah. But no, get
Any tens?
Get the 100. I mean the 700.
How many hundreds?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. And how many?
Get the 300.
3,000, right?
Yeah, 3,000. So
1,
get 3 of those.
2,000, 3,000. So there's our number, 3,708. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Brooklyn, I'm going to have you make me a number 2. So I've got 4,000. $82. 4,082. So if we're starting from units, making it with our units first, how many units do we need to pull out?
2.
2, yes. Oh dear, what's happening? There we go. 1, 2. Okay, how many tens?
8.
So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, how many hundreds?
4.
In our hundredths place, we have a 0 in the hundredths place. So do I need any hundreds?
Yeah.
If I have 0 hundreds, do I need hundreds? No.
No.
0 hundreds, and then how many thousands? This is our thousands place.
4.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. 4,082. So even though we have 0 tens, we still, or 0 hundreds, we still have this place. 4,000, there's 0 hundreds. 80. All right. Andre's turn, and then we'll add. All right, Andre, you ready? Help me make the number. We got 6,363. How many units am I going to get out?
Units, looks like 3.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. How many tens?
And, 6.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many hundreds? How many hundreds?
6.
So we have 3 units, 6 tens. How many hundreds?
3.
300. 100, 200, 300. And then how many thousands?
6.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. There we go, 6,363.
I also did on this.
Yeah?
Yeah. Somehow. If you can't really see it.
Yeah, it's kind of hard. So
I did it though.
the other thing we're going to talk about is adding or putting together. Adding means to join together. We've done adding, a lot of adding last year. So if I want to add a 2-digit plus a 1-digit number, even if I wanted to add, let's say I wanted to add 3 plus 4. I wanted to add 3. I don't have a little plus 4. I'm going to have 3 here. 1, 2, 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many units do I have now, Zayden? Elijah? How many units do I have?
You have 4.
I have 3, and I'm adding 4.
4. So you're adding 4.
So 3 plus 4. I don't have the plus sign. I'm not able to show you the plus sign, but we're adding
7.
3 units plus 4 units is 7 units, right? Altogether, we have 7. Okay? And there's no other way for me to clear it. I have to get out like that and do that. So let's say I want to add 22 plus 8. 22 plus 8. That's not 8, sorry. plus 7. So I can make my 22. How many 10s do I need to make my 22, Brooklyn? Here's our number, 22. This is the units place. This blue one, that's the tens place, right?
A unit and
So we need 2 units,
2 tens.
2 tens. And I'm going to add 7 units, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we add, we always add our units first. So I have 2 units plus 7 units. If I put them together, I'm going to join them together. Now, how many units do I have? I'll join my tens. I joined 22 and 7 together. What do I have now, guys?
You have
Andre?
9.
We have 9 units, and we still only have 2 tens. We have 20, so our answer is 29. 22 plus 7 is 29. All right, let's do one more. I want to add 51 plus 5. So I need to make my numbers. So when you guys do your follow-up work, you can go to the Virtual Montessori Tools. You're going to make your 51. How am I going to do that? Somebody tell me how to make 51, please. I feel like nobody is paying attention right now. I know this isn't as engaging in this way, but we can't touch it and all that. Trying to figure out how you guys could do it, but
Wait.
we're gonna add 51 and 5. So first I need to make 51. How am I gonna do that, Elijah?
So you're gonna need 5, 1, 2, those 5 ones right there.
These 5 ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now what? We got our 5 ones. We need to add 51. So how many units for 51?
Now I can hear you.
Okay. How many units do we have in 51? Brooklyn? How many units?
5.
Units. Remember, these are our units.
1 unit.
1 unit. And then you said 5. We have 5 tens. Okay, so here's 51. And we're joining together our 5. I'm going to put these off to the. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So, and then,
Flipping again. So I'm gonna join together. I'm adding. So I'm adding. Oh gosh, it just disappeared. Stop it. Oh, so ridiculous. I wish there was a trash button. All right. So if we add our 1 unit, we end up having 6 units now.
6 units.
Yep. And we still have 5 10.
5 tens.
So our answer is
56.
okay. So if I give you some problems that you're going to add, there's no regrouping. You're adding, it's called static addition. Numbers like we just did. How do you feel like? Do you feel good? Like, yep, I'm going to be able to do that, Miss Brenda. Or, I don't know. Or, no, not at all. Kind of. Just kind of there. Brooklyn's kind of there. All right. Do one more.
It's hard for me to talk.
I want to add 14 plus 4. So all we're going to do is we're going to make 14 and 4 and put them together. So I can see here 14 and 4. We have 110 and 4 units. 110, 4 units. And then I'm going to add 4 more units. 1, 2, 3, 4. We add, we join together. So I'm just going to put all this together. So our units, just kind of moving closer together. How many units do we have, Brooklyn?
8 units.
8 units. And how many tens do we have, Elijah?
How many tens? 8 tens.
These are 10.
Yeah.
How many?
Those are... I can't hear you.
This is, oh, can you see?
Oh, yeah.
This is a 10, right? How many tens do
Yeah.
we have?
You have 1 10.
1 10. So our answer, 14 plus 4 is 18. I think once you actually start touching it, it's not going to be as hard as you think. Okay?
Okay.
And I'll put this up in the Google Classroom so you can watch again in case you're like, wait a minute, what do we do? All right?
All right.
Okay, guys. So you're going to be doing static addition. You've got some follow-up work with that. Okay? And you can use
Okay.
you can use that website, the Virtual Montessori Tools. It'll be easy. You'll be able to get it on it, I'm sure, when you're not on the Zoom. I'm sure that's what the problem is. Okay? All right, everybody. Well, thank you. You guys did great. It was good having our first math lesson. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll see you guys later. You can go ahead and push leave meeting.
Okay, wait, are we gonna go back? Are we gonna
I'm going
join
to end the
back or-
meeting so the recording will stop, and then I'm going to start a new one. So I'm just going to end it.